In Turkey, two big energy projects are happening. The first is a hydroelectric dam on the Çoruh River, which is in the province of Artvin by the Black Sea. This dam will use the river to make electricity. But there's a sad part to this story. A town called Yusufeli, which is only about 5 miles away from where the dam is being built, might get flooded when the dam is done. The second big work isn't for making power, but is still about building something huge. Turkey is putting up the biggest suspension bridge anyone has ever made. It's a sign of how well Turkey can build big things. These projects are much more advanced than the old dams people used to build. Long ago, people made dams that were small and simple, mostly to help with farming. Now, dams are giant walls that hold back rivers and help make electricity. They have special parts like gates and spillways to manage the water. These projects show off Turkey's modern building skills. They are great at making new things, but they also have to think about the places and people, like those in Yusufeli, who are changed by these big projects. Turkey is advancing with a notable construction, the Yusufeli Dam on the Çoruh River. When finished, it will stand 270 meters high, becoming the highest dam in the country and ranking 7th worldwide. The height of a dam is crucial because it determines how much water the dam's reservoir can hold. Bigger dams can store more water. This dam is a part of Turkey's extensive Çoruh River development, which includes building 13 dams in total. The project for the Yusufeli Dam kicked off on December 21, 2012, and it's a major part of this river plan. Up to now, 2 of these dams are functioning, and 2, including Yusufeli, are in the process of being built. When it's all done, Yusufeli Dam will be the second biggest project in this series. The purpose behind the Yusufeli Dam is to generate electricity with hydropower, using the movement of water to create energy. The dam will support a power plant capable of producing a hefty 540 megawatts, enough to supply a large number of homes and businesses. Inside the power plant, there will be 6 turbines, and each one can generate 200 megawatts. However, there are significant concerns about the dam's effects. Environmentalists are worried about the local wildlife and ecosystems that the dam's reservoir might affect. Also, there's the issue of people living nearby who might have to leave their homes because of the rising water. Yusufeli Dam illustrates Turkey's push for renewable energy and showcases impressive engineering feats. Yet, it also highlights the challenges that come with such large-scale projects, balancing the need for energy with caring for the environment and considering the impact on local communities. Turkey's Yusufeli Dam is a powerhouse project. This big project will create a lot of power, 12,200 megawatts. That's more than other dams in the country. But it's causing some worry. People in Iraq, scientists, and historians are all talking about it because it's going to change a big area. The dam will make a lake that's over 121 square miles, which is really big. About 200 places where people live, including the very old city of Hasankeyf, are in danger of being flooded. Hasankeyf has a lot of history. It's been around since the Romans built a fortress there, and it was part of the Ottoman Empire around the 1500s. Now, because of the dam, people living there might have to move, and all that history could be underwater. This is why so many people are paying attention to what's happening with the dam. The dam has a special design for a part called the spillway channel. This part is made to let water out when there's too much. It can let out 8,000 cubic meters per second, which helps to stop floods. Even though the dam is going to be good for making electricity, it's also bringing up some hard choices. People have to think about the old city, the nature around there, and where the people will go. It's about finding a good balance between getting the power Turkey needs and keeping important places safe. The Yusufeli Dam project in Turkey represents a major advancement in sustainable energy. This structure, set within the landscape, features an advanced spillway system, a critical safety component for flood management. The dam's subterranean power station is expansive, spanning 110 meters in length, 21.4 meters in width, and towering at 45.2 meters in height. Within its confines, it hosts 3 substantial Francis turbines. Each turbine boasts a capacity of 110 megawatts, collectively contributing significantly to the region's energy supply. The construction effort is monumental. Daily, the site sees the pouring of 6,500 cubic meters of concrete. The project innovates with a cutting-edge cable crane system, which transports heavy machinery over the rugged terrain, dramatically enhancing efficiency. When operational, the dam is set to have a total capacity of 1,900 megawatts. It's estimated to generate 560 million kilowatt-hours of electricity yearly, enough to fulfill the annual energy consumption of a bustling metropolis, such as Ankara. The completion of the Yusufeli Dam will bolster Turkey's hydroelectric production capacity by a notable 2%. This represents not just a boost to the country's energy resources, but also a milestone in Turkish engineering prowess, poised to become a legacy for future generations to cherish. Currently, in the final phase of its construction, the Yusufeli Dam undergoes meticulous inspections to ensure all systems are operational and meet the stringent safety and performance criteria before it begins functioning. The Yusufeli Dam, launched by Turkey in 1990, has been a contentious point, particularly impacting its relationships with downstream neighbors, Syria and Iraq. The construction initially led to an acute diplomatic strain due to the reduction of water flow to these neighboring countries. As the dam started to hold back water, both Syria and Iraq saw a drastic 75% drop in their water supply, leading to a significant escalation in tensions. They even contemplated military options, including the potential bombing of the dam infrastructure to safeguard their water interests. Turkey, in a defensive stance, threatened to cut off the water supply completely, which further intensified the standoff. Despite these fraught moments, the situation did not devolve into military action. Turkey continued with its construction, and over time, the immediate crisis was diffused. Today, the situation remains complex. Turkey's continued upstream dam constructions could exacerbate the existing tensions as the control over water resources becomes even more critical. The long-term impact of these projects on Syria and Iraq is still a pressing concern, with the hope resting on diplomatic dialogue to alleviate this enduring regional issue. We've just explored the Yusufeli Dam, a project of great ambition and complexity. If this caught your interest, please show us some love by hitting like. Feel free to share this video with others who might appreciate this deep dive into engineering and international relations. To stay updated on our latest content, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Your engagement is what fuels our passion for sharing knowledge. Drop a comment to join the conversation. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to come back for more insightful videos.